everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to add some pretty dried botanicals to tea bags. So I think it'll be really fun, and some of the things I have here are dried flowers, of course, that were pressed and dry, some distressed oxide in a dauber, some tea bags, just different tea bags that you have, and some stencils, some words, and maybe even some clips we might play with, a couple of little craft pins, just the little guys here. I think those would be kind of fun. And let's see what we can make. All right. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out your tea bags and your dried flowers and seeing what we can do here. We got spring happening, so it's definitely a good time to get out your dried flowers or start pressing them and stuff. And yeah, so I think it'd be fun. So this is just a big tea bag here, and I just cut the bottom and then got all the tea out of it and kept it intact like that. Okay, so we'll just do this one real quick. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, you also need some, it's Elmer's glue and water, and it's 50-50. So I put, half Elmer's glue, just white glue, like school glue, and PVA glue is another word for it too, and water. Just did a little mixture here. Okay, and let me grab some parchment paper really quick. Okay, so I just got a piece of parchment paper. I'll start with this side. Okay. So, let me just take our little mixture here, make sure it's good and mixed. And I just keep it in an airtight container and it stays forever. And let's see, what do we got here? We got some daisies. You just take your glue, just go ahead and put it where you want it. We'll pop this little guy down. This is just a fun little project to do, and tea bags are always great to work with. And then you can put them into your junk journals and stuff. And yeah. I'll show you guys how I'll do that when we're all done here. So I just wanted to pop on real quick and just show you guys a fun little video. Something you can do today. Okay, so I just make sure it's good and glued. And I kind of just go with the petals. You don't want to go against it because it would just break them all apart. And if you notice like some of your stems are too thick or anything, you can just cut the stem off. Let's see. So this is plum tree, and I've had it sitting out drying. And I put it in I just press them in a book, and then I have a little press that my husband made me, just with two pieces of wood and just some screws that screw it down and tighten it. And it seems to work pretty good. So let's see here. I think these are just fun to put down. There we go. All right. Okay. And then I'm going to take my heat gun and just go ahead and dry this real quick. And get it all dried down onto it. So I'll be right back. I went ahead and dried it. And as I was drying it, I don't know if you guys noticed, I kind of just was pressing it down to make sure it was going to stick. So as it gets tacky, you can just get it stuck down, as you're drying it. Okay, so now I want to take my black soot, distressed oxide here, take one of my cute little stencils. Now I got a pack of 100 of them on Amazon. There's just a bunch of cute little, and they're 2 by 2 inch. And I'll try to remember the link up in the corner. I could put it up here, right over in the right hand corner up top. And I'll get that linked in there for you guys to see, and you can come check it out. So yeah, that'll be fun. And pretty good deal for them. And they're great to work with your tea bags and stuff, or like small little projects. So yeah, I think just adding a little bit of stencil in there is really fun. Okay, and I got this pen today. I wanted to try it out. It's a gold paint pen. It's just a metallic paint marker. So I don't know. I have no idea. I wanted to kind of try it and just see if it looked kind of cool. So let's experiment together. Yeah, so I just went down to Dollar General. I don't know if you guys have a Dollar General where you're at. It's kind of fun just to go look around and see what they got there. And it's just got a little paint thingy in it. Or a little, you know, you gotta shake it up really good. Okay. So let's see. If I can figure this out. And then you just push it to get it ready. Oh, there it comes. So there it goes. You got it coming to the tip here. So that's kind of fun. And then, yeah, look at that. You can't put it on the back. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of just make some fun little doodles on here. Just to make it pop. So little paint markers and stuff are fun to play with. Just to do a little extra decorating. So look at that. I think that turned out really good. Take a little gold pop to it. So definitely, I love this. And it's just a little paint marker, art skills, crafter's closet. So that's a plus right there. Okay, so we went ahead and did that and got it looking cool. And let's play with the other side now. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. Let's see, what do we got? I'm liking the daisies. I think I got these dry enough. Because you want to make sure they're dry, because if they're still, like these are some weeds that I had out in the yard. Just some weed, I don't even know what they are. And I pressed them, but I just took them out today and they seem like they're still a little, have a little moisture in them. So you don't want to really tack them down and put them down until they're totally dry. See, that one's cool. Because mold, you don't want mold to set in or anything. So, and I know these are pretty dry. I've had these going for a little bit. So we'll just play with some daisies today. Okay. So I'm pretty much just going to do the same thing here and just get this one all situated. So I went ahead and did some fun stenciling on this side, little bumblebee, and then did the gold marker, and then some flowers down here, some little ferns, and did the gold marker on it. I think it turned out really cute. And then some stamping in the back. I went ahead and did that with just the squirrel stamp here, just the words there. And then this side turned out really cute. All right, so now we got both sides decorated. And what I want to do is, let's go ahead and do a fun little cluster up here. So I got my threads that I keep, and always keep your threads. They're really nice for clusters. Okay, and then I just take it like that. Just some avocado dyed lace here. And I'm gonna staple that down. Just like that. There we go. And I have a die cut that I just spray painted gold. I just did some spray paint on it. And I think it will match nicely. And I'm going to take my Fabrifix glue and just do a little glue down. A little glue here. And there we go. Get yourself a fun little decorated tea bag here. I think that turned out really cute. The botanicals, you got all the dried little flowers, and yeah, I like it. So there we go. And then the back looks cute. Or either way, I mean front, back. You can even do another cluster on this side if you want. But I'm liking it. So let's see, how can we incorporate this into our junk journals? Okay, so let's make sure you guys can see this. Oh yeah, I got you up high enough. Okay. And I was thinking I want to use some of these I grabbed today. I think it'd be fun to... they're just the medium-sized ones, so they're a little bit bigger than those little tiny ones, but I don't know. I don't have this size, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to incorporate this. So let's see what we got. Oop. That'll show up really nice on that page, huh? So I want to just take it and go over, just flap it over the page like that. And then just take your little pin and just pin it on there. So there we go. So I think that turned out really cute. And it's just a fun way to incorporate something into your junk journal, and you get to play with tea bags. That's the back part of it. Or the other side, I guess, you know, either way. And like I said, you could do another little cluster or something at the top on that side too. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.